boss is drugged.
Ah.
The what?
The boss is still drugged.
Oh.
We got it down to 4, but we won't decide.
140 and 60.
Which 4?
Top, I think, are Alexander and Nicholas, and then Bradley, and totally forgot the other one. Oh, Carter.
Carter.
Well, that's a lot of names to choose from.
Yeah, it is.
The 2 of them are family names.
What does he look
Alexander
like?
and Nicholas. I don't know. I'm
We
not
gotta
in
put him in
charge.
your arms. Oh, that's true.
Has Mama held him?
No, but she got to see him. But we'll get him right in there to her.
Oh.
We just need him for a second.
Yeah, for sure.
36, 8. We're the best assistant here. You guys sign for the Hep B. You do a
I'm
wait
smiling. You
real quick,
can't even tell.
You can't even take my picture. Take his.
Oh, 6 pounds, do you think?
He is coming in.
Okay, 0. Middle one there.
Can you believe that?
There we go.
What do you think that is?
6 something.
Because I'm not small.
2.830 or 2830, excuse me.
6
6
pounds,
pounds,
4
3
ounces.
ounces. Rounded up to 4.
6'4"?
Yep.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, you're just
A cutie.
Oh, he is such a doll. He is nice and pink. He says, well, what is going on?
He came out crying, so everything was good from the get-go.
He's so precious.
I should joke Tony. He said, I'm not the every kid.
5. Still 1 off the color, so 9.
9?
8, 9.
8, 9 are great off
Yeah.
Oh, look how much hair he has, Kobe. He's like a ball.
You mind getting an OFC? You don't want to go to rounds, do you?
She's so cute. He needs kisses. He needs lots of kisses.
You can just skedaddle after the OFC.
34 and a half.
34.5 on your OFC. And let me, let's get it.
Oh, little man.
It's already pooped. You got that taken care of. Huh? No worries about that one.
He's like, what is going on, people?
Let's see. 49 is 19 and a half inches.
Wow.
It's when you're in there. Oh, I just sat next to her. I'm just on the chair. It's a big screen, so I can see my head.
Did they get banned somewhere?
Yeah, they're right here.
They have it all blocked off, so you know.
Band number 46998.
Little arms.
So he did stool.
Okay.
No void, yep.
Run the duck
Thank
carpet
you.
there.
Thanks for being here. Okay, 2 stocks and a diaper.
Oh, do you need a diaper? No,
The
man.
first diaper.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh, I don't even know
Come
how to put it on.
We'll teach you. Lift up the bottom. Yeah, he looks
Do I
awesome.
have this the right way?
Yep, so you always want the tabs to the back.
Oh,
Okay.
sweetheart, you're
Pick up the little
both
bottom. And then with his cord, you're going to want to fold this down just a little bit because we don't want it rubbing on the
okay.
cord. And I'll cut that excess part off. They didn't give me scissors.
Oh, yeah, gurgle,
We're gonna
gurgle.
have lots of this, buddy. Don't worry.
You want to do it tight because you don't want to change their clothes because it's going to pee out the side.
Okay.
But you'll learn that as time goes on.
The hard way.
Yeah, like we all did. Very good, Dad.
Oh, that's little man. Oh, that's so sad.
Now we're gonna do
oh,
the
Grandma
shots.
can't watch.
So-
Grandma can't watch.
Yeah, don't watch.
Here, Curb, I want you to take this now.
Oh, goodness.
Buddy, this is gonna go in your wedding video.
He says, that's what I'm happy. That's what I'm happy. I need my mommy.
So we want to get him wrapped up and out to his mom so she can see what
do it
a
with this other
sweet
hand.
little guy he is. He's just perfect.